meron tayong dalawang type ng collision.
Hawak nga muna. Pwede ba?
Okay, you have your elastic collision and your inelastic collision. Dalawa lang yan. Okay? Once kinetic energy is being conserved, na-conserve yung kinetic energy mo, no? Ang tawag mo ron is elastic collision. Okay? But once your kinetic energy, no, is less compared with the initial kinetic energy, it will be termed as your inelastic collision. Sir, anong nangyayari? Okay. In your inelastic collision, no, yung final kinetic energy mo, okay, is magiging less, magiging half compared with your initial kinetic energy. Bakit? Kasi, pag nagbanggaan yung dalawang object na gaya nito, yung kotse na ito, okay, nagbanggaan sila, yung kinetic energy nila, no, before collision, will be what? Half. No, mga kalahati siya. Bakit? Ang mangyayari kasi, yung kalahating kinetic energy is mako-convert into another type of energy. No, kaya ito tinawag ng inelastic collision. Unlike your elastic collision naman, yung picture na to, okay, di ba? Pag nag-transfer ng what? Nag-transfer ng kinetic energy, no? Transfer yung energy all throughout the ball, yung pendulum. Okay, ang nangyayari lang, nagba-bounce back lang siya. Okay, babalik-balik lang siya. Yung initial kinetic hanggang sa final kinetic, pare-parehas lang. No? Kumbaga, yung kinetic energy inside this system, no? Hindi siya nawawala, hindi siya nababawasan, as is lang po siya. Okay, kaya po siya tinawag ng elastic collision. Hindi siya na-change into another flow. Gets? Yung difference ng dalawa? Okay, malinaw. But, remember, in your collisions, momentum is constant. Malinaw? So, that's collision. Collision lang. Collision lang yan. Pagka ulit yan. Ano? Bago agad eh.